my triple cup, that's 2 times 2. Man, they dogging in the wartime, so yeah, my eyes red, but I'm no dumb. If you gon' run it up, that's all on you.
You know I'm ballin', usual like Kobe.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me life.
Alright, y'all, bro. We gotta cook some, you know what I'm saying? Before we start getting cooking, before we start, I know it's not English, bro, leave me alone. Before we start cooking, let me address some things right quick, okay? This hat, I know it's not a chef hat. It's a chef hat to me, okay? And then this mic is not on. So the video gonna sound the same. The mic is not on. The mic sounds terrible. It's just here for aesthetics right now. And then, I don't know what we about to cook, but we about to cook something. And, yeah. The intro intro. I was just trying to show y'all my cinema. You know, I thought I was going to school for the last day of school. I was going to record, but that ended up not happening. So I just get back to y'all when I figure out what we about to cook. Alright, so finally figured out what I'm about to make. You feel me? I don't know if you can see it. Alaskan salmon, boy. You know what I'm saying? It's thawing out right now. We put it. It's an oven or whatever. Yeah. And we make some rice with it. You know what I'm saying? This not really. You don't really gotta cook this for real. You just put it in the microwave. It's talking about some ready in 90 seconds. I don't know about that. But this you gotta cook. You gotta cook it. And I know it's not gonna take that long, so I'm gonna do a review at the end. See y'all later though. Alright, y'all. The time about to be done thawing out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all when I'm about to put it in the oven because this angle ain't giving me. Alright, so we about to preheat the oven. And I'm gonna cut the camera right quick because I don't. Okay, yeah, I know how these buttons works. Never mind. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get it preheated or whatever. Alright, well, we got this thing. It heated up to like 350 right now. We got it preheated to 350, and it's like I don't know what's it right now, but I'll get back to y'all when I'm about to put the salmon in the oven. Alright, y'all. The oven just got done preheating. This look nasty anyway. The salmon and there's some salsa or whatever in there. The salmon right there. But we finna put it in the oven. It said, I'm just look at it. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna look at what the instructions say. Get back with y'all though. Alright, bro. It say. Thanks for. I don't even know if I know what for it though. Oh yes, I do. So it should be. Yeah, so. Stop this. Oh, my fault. It be all over my For You page. I hope it's not falling. We're gonna leave it right here right quick while I read this. Maybe so. If I can put this in there, I'm pretty sure you put this in. Yeah, that'll fit. Alright, boy, found me one. Alright, we gotta take it out. Let's go. Stop this one. Look. Oh. Almost got it. Cut it. I hope this don't drip on me when I cut it. Cut it. Wow, cut it. Alright. I gotta touch it. It says skin side down. It smells good. I think this is the skin. Okay. What am I supposed to do with the little? What am I supposed to do with this? I don't. Do I pour it on there? It just say remove it from packaging. I don't think I pour it on there. Well, I'm about to. Oh, I don't have to touch it. So. Boy. Alright, but you gotta put this in the oven right quick. Get my oven mitts real quick. me see if I can face the torch that way. Alright. Let me make sure that's the one that's. Yeah, that's the one. Like I said, timer. It said 15 to 20 minutes. I'm putting it in there for 17. What? Oh, that's a out. Oh. How I reset it. Okay. Alright. How I start? Alright, this is starting. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back when we get back with y'all when that's finished, and then when that's finished, I'm gonna put the rice in there after. Get back, y'all. I'm about to do that though. Alright, y'all. So meanwhile, I'm looking. What's that way? I'm looking at the little thing, and I realized we ain't got the microwave no more. So it said I put it on the stove top, and boiling water. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm finna boil some water up, and then yeah. Stop. Man, school found me out, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm about to do for real. Put it right here. Yeah, I can't even see. Let me just scoot y'all back. And then you don't gotta see the whole thing. You can see the pot though. But let's not this, not this. What's this one? Look at that. I'm just trying to boil this up. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Every time I hear me, I'm doing like blah 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 blah. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when this thing done going. I'll come on, just cut the camera off. Get back to y'all later though. Alright, so I think boiling now. And I just realized that the rice and the salmon not gonna get done at the same time, so I don't even know what to do right now, but it's done boiling. I don't know what the terms that, so I'm just about to use the spatula. It's gonna splash. Let me put it. I don't know how I'm about to. Hold on.
3 hours later.
Alright, bro, we got it up in there. You know what I'm saying? This thing, because of the top is wet. But, while this is cooking, I'm finna go find my tongs because I'm not gonna put my hand in here. It should. Oh, let's just see. call some tunes. How you? Don't leave mine. Oh, this guy cooked for 10 minutes. I gotta set the time. Shoot, how am I about to shoot? I'll be right back. I'm about to set it. How am I saying it like I'm on the phone or something? I'm gonna get back with y'all when I set the time. Alright, y'all. The rice is still cooking, so like it's not done at the same time. But the salmon just got done. Let me show you, boy. Yeah. Ain't don't look too bad. It smells good. Don't look too bad. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I think I'm just gonna wait till the rice get done. Get back with y'all later. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the rice off right quick. Turn the stove off. It's supposed to be like a minute left, but I put them in there like probably a minute or two before I start the timer, so it'll probably be alright. But I'm just gonna let it do what it do. Wait a second, I'm gonna let it. Matter of fact, let me take this off. Cool. I'm gonna let it situate for a second before I touch it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back with y'all after I put everything on the plate, and I'll show you. I'm show you what I'm about to do. Alright, y'all. Finally done, you know what I'm saying? Look at the little salmon right there. They got the rice. I had to put some little salt and pepper on it, but I'm gonna turn the camera around. Show me. I'm finna get it ready and everything. Get back with y'all. Alright, hold on. See my facial expression on it. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let's do rice right here. Hold on, let me mix it up some, cause I hope I put enough salt and pepper in it. I didn't think it was gonna be this much rice. Yeah, good. But when I read the thing and it said sticky rice, I didn't think. Never mind, bro. I'm not gonna say what I was about to say. Pause, bro. Alright. I should try the salmon first because it's a bit thin. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay. The flavor is flavoring, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm talking about. But try rice one more time. Use more salt, but it's not coming out. I'm just shaking. It's not coming out. I promise you. Now it's coming out. All right. The rice, I get like a 6. It's not that good, and I really ain't making fruit. I really just cooked it. You feel me? And the salmon, I'm gonna have to try that one more time. I didn't mix that up, but I just got a whole grain of salt. That was nasty. Alright, I mixed that up. Salmon. It'd probably been better if I ate it as soon as I come out the oven, but I was waiting for the rice to finish. It sounded like, bro, I can't even pick it up. I get like 7.5. We gotta try to get there. Do not clip that. That's not that good to get the angle off. I eat them separate. But together I give like a 5. I don't know. It might match for y'all, but it ain't match for me. Alright, so that's all. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to record because I'm trying to start recording. Not record. I'm trying to post every 2 weeks. or whatever. And I recorded this as my basketball video, so I want to record some. But yeah, boy, y'all let me know what y'all want to see me do next. You know what I'm saying? I had to do the Instagram prompt or whatever, and they was talking about Grace. It was talking about making slime at 3 a.m. If I do it if I want to see that, but I don't think y'all want to see that, so that's what I'm not doing. And then they was like getting ready with me, and then I like that's what the video was supposed to be, but I ended up not going to school. And then what else they said? Oh, they said something that I'm not able to say on this camera right here. But yeah, I say I like subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And let me know how you feel about the video. And yeah, thank y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let me stop, bro. All right, bro. I'm gonna get back with y'all later, bro. Yeah. No, I'm not even gonna turn the camera off. We gonna sit here and watch, and sit and we gonna establish the cringe moment I just had. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna skip past that. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Yeah. Alright, so y'all can see my video. Do a quick little program right quick. I'm at my grandma's house right now, so that's what I'm for. This right quick, but I'm finna promote you know what I'm saying? They barbecue sauce, go tap in Michael's barbecue sauce. This the honey garlic flavor, this my favorite. These the one everybody else. They like the original signature. You know what I'm saying? Michael's barbecue sauce. You can find them on Instagram and Marcus barbecue sauce and TikTok and Facebook, all that. You know what I'm saying? You can purchase them and they'll get shipped to your house. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all go tap in right quick. And yeah, I might let me show the QR code. Let me show the QR code. MarcusBarbecueSauce.com. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, go order, go tap in. It's good. I ain't gonna lie. It's addictive, so I had to stop eating it. You know what I'm saying? But well, I ain't stopped eating it. I just. That's a lie. Actually, I just ate some yesterday. But yeah, y'all go tap in, and yeah, that's actually the end of this video.